Hello, today we're going to make salted coconut mochi ice cream with a mango center. We're going to first prepare the ice cream by placing the coconut shreds into a pan and toasting them until they're golden. Make sure that you're constantly stirring the coconut so that they don't burn. Once they're golden, set it aside in a bowl and let it cool down for a few minutes. We're then going to prepare the base of the ice cream by placing coconut cream into a bowl and then whipping it until it's fluffy and doubled in size. Once you finish whipping the coconut cream, place it into the fridge while you prepare the coconut milk. In a separate bowl, place in the condensed milk, coconut milk and salt and whip it until it's evenly mixed throughout. When everything is mixed, we're going to gently fold in the toasted coconut. We're then going to take out the coconut cream and gently fold it into the coconut milk. We're then going to take out the coconut cream and gently fold it into the coconut milk mixture. Make sure that you don't put in all the coconut cream at once and that you do it batch by batch so that you keep the fluffiness. Once you've folded in half of the coconut cream, you can also give the mix a taste test to see if the saltiness is to your preference. If you want it a bit more salty, you can add in more salt at this stage. Then pour the mixture into a container and freeze it overnight. Now to make it into mochi balls, we're going to first puree the mangoes in a blender. Mangoes aren't in season for me at the moment, so I've used frozen mangoes. To assemble the ice cream balls, we're going to take a scoop of the coconut ice cream and place that into a bowl or a cup. I've used a quarter-sized measuring cup that has a rounded bottom so that when I wrap it with the mochi, it will have that rounded top. Once you've placed in the ice cream, press down in the middle of it so that you form a little well, and then make sure that you press some of the ice cream up onto the sides of the cup. We're then going to put the mango puree into that little well that we formed. Place some more coconut ice cream on top of the mango puree, and then we're going to use our spoon to even out the top. Then place the ice cream on top of a piece of cling wrap, and then we're going to wrap it tightly to keep it in that dome shape. If you've tipped out your ice cream and it doesn't look that smooth, just use your fingers to smoothen it out with the cling wrap. And then once you've done wrapping the ice cream, place it into the fridge and freeze it until it's totally rock hard. To make the mochi, we're going to first place glutinous rice flour and sugar into a bowl and then give that an even mix. Then pour in a pandan extract and mix it until it's smooth. I've made my own fresh extract by blending 10 pandan leaves with 75 ml of water and then pouring that through a tea bag to strain out the pandan leaves. Once everything is evenly mixed, we're going to place it into the microwave for 1 minute on high. After 1 minute, take it out and give it another mix, and then place it back into the microwave for another minute on high. After the second minute is up, take it out and give it another mix, and then set it aside to let it cool down a little bit. We're then going to put the mochi on top of a piece of baking paper that has been spreaded generously with potato starch. We're then going to pour some more potato starch on top of the mochi to make sure that it's totally covered, and then using our hands or a rolling pin, flatten it out. Keep rolling the mochi until it's about 1 mil thick. Once you've finished rolling the mochi, we're going to place it into the fridge for about 15 minutes to let it set. After 15 minutes, take out the mochi and then using a pastry brush, dust off the excess potato starch. Use a cutter or a bowl to cut out mochi circles. Make sure that whatever you're using to cut out the mochi will be big enough to wrap around the ice cream. Once you've cut out the circle, take the ice cream out from the freezer and place it in the middle of the mochi with the flat side facing up. Then bring the edges to the center and just pinch them close together. Once you've sealed them up, they're ready to be eaten straight away, but if you're not eating them straight away, just wrap it up in cling wrap again and then place it back into the freezer. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.